So the book gave us the equations 2x minus 3y, or 2x plus 3y, I think, equals 1, and 6y equals 7 minus 4x. So on this one, I subtracted 2x from both sides and got 3y equals 1 minus 2x. Divided that by 3, and it's y equals 1 minus 2x over 3. And then divided this one by 6 and got y equals 7 minus 4x over 6. Then I set them equal. 1 minus 2x over 3 equals 7 minus 4x over 6. Cross multiply. 6 minus 12x equals 21 minus 12x. Then I added, or subtract 6 from both sides. Got negative 12x equals 15 minus 12x. Then add 12x to both sides, and I got 0x equals 15, or no solution.
Questions? Yes, ma'am. Yes, please. Very good. So this leads us into some vocabulary. Why were these two equations no solution? Okay. What do you have to say, sir? No. It won't move. But anyways, there it goes. Okay, so why did you say they were equivalent? Yeah, why is there no solution? Oh. So our x's have the same, what's that number right there? Coefficient in front of them. Yes, dear?
I was going to say because they're not equivalent equations.
Because they're not equivalent equations. Okay. Why, on a graph, would you have no solution? Yes, dear? Okay, if the lines don't intersect, what is true about them? They're parallel. So, this problem leads us to our first vocabulary word of inconsistent system. Inconsistent system. Inconsistent system. An inconsistent system are two equations that will not intersect. They have no solution. Two linear equations that will not intersect. They have no solution. They are parallel lines. What is true about parallel lines? They'll never intersect. They have the same slope. If we go back and look at this equation, what would our slope be? What would our slope be here? Oh. What's our y-intercept here? 1/3. And what's our y-intercept here? 7/6. So they have the same slope, but different y-intercept. Before, it was pointed out that they have the same coefficient in front of x. Is our coefficient the same thing as slope? Okay. So when the slopes are the same and the y-intercepts are different, there will be no solution. And they are inconsistent. What happens if our slope is the same and our y-intercept is the same? They're the same line. So they are dependent. systems. Dependent system is when you have the same line, same slope, same y-intercept. Two equations with the same slope, same y-intercept. Yes, dear.
If we get to that point on a problem and we realize they have the same solution, can we just put no solution if he wants to go?
You can put no solution, but say why you have decided that it was a no solution. Okay, that is a great question. So dependent, they have the same slope, same y-intercept, they're the same line. So what's their solution? 0? No solution? How many times would those lines touch? Infinite. Every single point on that line. So dependent systems are infinitely many solutions. Dependent system is an infinitely many solution because the line is on top of each other. Yes, sir.
So does that mean like when you get all the way down to the range, it would be like W equals W?
Yes, W equals W. Like everything will be the exact same. These numbers would be the same as well. So.
Will we have a question on the test that says that we have to put dependent system?
If you want to use your vocab and get extra credit, then yes. Any other questions? All right, and last but not least, we have. Which one did we do? Independent, so we're ready for independent. All right, independent are typically what every single problem will be, and that is where they intersect once, and you actually get an ordered pair for an answer. So independent system is where you get an ordered pair for an answer, and they intersect once. There is a point of intersection. Questions? Independent system.